you can see, I am standing here in the grand premises of DAV Public School Gumla, which is one of the biggest schools of this region in terms of its academic performance and co-curricular activities. So let's have a glance at our garden, which is furnished with different types of flowers. As you can see, there are different types of flowers like marigold. There is a separate rose garden there. So we are very close to the nature, and it is a motto of our school to keep the nature clean and green, so as to keep it away from different types of pollution like air pollution and water pollution, etc. You can see that Kho-Kho match is going on behind me. So now I'd like to ask some questions to one of the Kho-Kho players. What's your name?
My name is Shalu and I'm from class 11B.
Okay. Tell me, what are the importances of this game Kho-Kho?
By this we feel very energetic. We are able to concentrate in our studies, and we can by playing sports and all, we are very comfortable and we feel relief. We get tension free, and it is a good exercise for all the people.
So let's have a short interaction with our PhD teacher. Sir, please tell us what is the achievement of our school in the field of sports?
Our achievement is very great this year. We are overall champion in athletic meet in cluster level, and we have also some of the athletes who have selected in Speed Star, which is organized by central government youth athlete meet, and they will go for the state level, and then after that, if they are selected there, then they will represent national.
How do you guide these students? What skills do you teach to these students?
This is genetically given by parents. Some of the students are good in sports by birth, but just I have to mold that student, that player. They also practice outside of the school, that their own effort, and I also see sometimes they are either how they are making a mistake in technique and skill, and that's why they are giving a good performance in a school level.
So now let's come to our maths lab and see what's going on there. Basically we three types of labs: physics lab, chemistry lab and biology lab. So sir, please tell us, what is the significance of maths lab?
Anupma, in DAV, we believe in activity-based teaching, okay? And also we know that mathematics is the language of science. Therefore, as you see in this maths lab, all these projects and all these things, okay? All these things are made up by students.
So we have seen that through maths lab, how can we increase the creativity of the students? They are preparing the projects. Chemistry is mystery, and the mysteries of chemistry can be easily solved if we perform it experimentally. So now let's see what's going on inside the chemistry lab. Sir, which class you are taking now?
This is actually class 12. They are the outgoing batch. They are on the verge of giving the board exams within a couple of months. So last couple of practical session is going on. Doing the inorganic qualitative analysis where they have to detect one salt. And they have done it. Only the last group 5 they are detecting. They are doing the sequential group analysis. Systematically they are finding out the cations. Although there are thousands of reactions, yes, you have rightly pointed out, but there is a systematic analysis to that. And that is what we read in the practicals. Okay. It is the observation and inference which will make them a better chemist.
So here we have seen that through chemistry lab, we can understand many mysteries of chemistry. Through observation and inference, we can understand it in a better manner. So that's where the chemistry lab's importance is needed.
Anush is a very good teacher. He guides us in a very better manner.
He always helps us in doing any kind of practicals, or he always clears all of the doubts, etc. So through students' interaction, we have seen that their teachers are very helpful to them. They are guiding them at each and every step. So generally, students are afraid of the subject maths. So what's your opinion about that?
Well, exactly not afraid of, I will say. It is due to the difficult level that children are a bit immature at this level. When they gradually get matured, they like mathematics, and many people, with the help of mathematics, they excelled in the world, and mathematics is controlling the whole world. So I don't think children are afraid of. It is our educational system which make them afraid of. So there is a bit of change needed in this direction. We always put the subject in such a way that as if it is a big thing, but actually mathematics is not so difficult or hard, we can say.
So now I am going to have an interaction with one of the students of this class. How are you preparing for your board exams?
I am going through my course book thoroughly, and I am also preparing previous year question paper, going through some sample papers and asking questions that I have doubt to teachers and also my friends.
We have now completed our interaction with the students of board class. They are preparing nicely and they are solving different types of sample papers also. Budding talents are very fascinating to look at. So now let's have an interaction with the children of class 7th. How do you feel teaching small children?
Teaching small children is the easiest job. So you can arise interest in them and they will like it. So you have to implement different methods, not only the lecture methods, as they are small children, so we can do different activities, role play and different activities like games, word power. So we have to make teaching innovative. Different every day there should be something new, so that they will be interested to learn more and more.
So now I'd like to have a brief interaction with the head of this institution, Principal Sir.
The school has started in the year 1996, and since then the school is doing well in curricular and co-curricular activities. School is producing good results in CBSE class 10th board and class 12th board. Every year it's giving 100% results in both the board classes. And last 3 consecutive years we are sending the children in different professional courses.
स्कूल जी मीडिया से मैं कुमारी अनुपमा विनायक और प्रणय रंजन, डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल गुमला से वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट मुकेश जी के साथ।